Hello, my name is Azam. This is my final project for CSC430 Section B, Network Security and Information Assurance. So for this project, using Wireshark, I will demonstrate how to capture a packet and view an email's plain text password, and further demonstrate how to use GPG's encryption to better protect data privacy. So Wireshark is a free open source packet analyzer. It is used for network troubleshooting, analysis software, and communications protocol development, as well as educational purposes. Wireshark was developed by Gerald Combs and was originally called Ethereal. The operating systems that are supported by Wireshark include Linux, Operating System X or OS X, BSD, Solaris, and other Unix-like operating systems, and of course Microsoft Windows. The version of Wireshark which I'll be using in this project is 1.10.7 for Windows 62-bit, and you can download it at www.wireshark.org/download. Encryption tool I'll be using is GPG4Win. GPG4Win is an email and file encryption package for most versions of Microsoft Windows. It uses GNU-PG public key cryptography for data encryption and digital signatures. It runs on Windows operating systems and was originally created by Germany's Federal Office for Information Security. GPG4Win itself and all included tools that come with it are free and open source software, and is typically the non-proprietary option recommended to Windows users. The version of GPG4Win I'm using is 2.2.1, and you can go to www.gpg4win.org/download to download this version. So let's go ahead and launch Wireshark, and we'll start by seeing how we can capture a packet and view a plain text password. So what you want to do is click on capture options and make sure you have the appropriate interface selected. Once you do that, you want to click the start button, which is located right there under capture menu, has the green fin next to it. Once you click start, you're going to get a screen that looks like this, and this pretty much shows the packets being captured right now on my machine. So let's go ahead and test this out. What I'm going to go ahead and do is go to a website I visit. So as you can see, I'm on dreamandcode.net, and for testing purposes I've created a dummy account. As you can see, my account name is ABAZ19. I'm going to go ahead and enter a password here and get logged in, and we're going to see if Wireshark captures this. So as you can see, I've logged into the site. So let's go ahead and go back to Wireshark. So to make things a little easier, we're going to go ahead and click on Stop Capture, which is the little square button on the top here. It looks like a stop record button. So go ahead and click on that. And once we do that, we're going to go ahead and make things a little easier by searching for HTTP packets, which will narrow our search down. And as you can see, once we do that, all the HTTP packets come up. Once we have all the HTTP packets up, we can do one of two things. We can either scroll through all these packets through the scroll bar on the right hand side and look for the word post under info, or we can further narrow our search down by first clicking on edit on the top left, clicking find packet. Then in the find by section you want to select string, and in the search in section you want to select packet bytes. And for the filter, just type in post or the word you're looking for, and it will find all the packets with that info, with that suggested info inside it. Once you get that, you want to go ahead and double click on the packet, and you'll get this little pop-up come up. You want to go ahead and expand it and make it bigger, and scroll down until you see line-based text data, and you want to go ahead and click on the little plus button, plus sign right here, to expand it, and it'll give you more information. You want to go ahead and scroll over until you see username, which, as you can see right there, is abaz, and right next to it it'll give you the password, which in this case was test password. Now let's go ahead and look at how we can find a password in plain text in an email captured by Wireshark. So what I did for this is I went to upload.evilzone.org/download.php?id equals 9269111 and type equals zip. And I'll go ahead and put that link in here. So go ahead and go there and download the packet. Once you do, open it via Wireshark, and we can go ahead and look through these packets here. You want to go ahead and filter it by SMTP protocol, which of course, as you know, is Simple Mail Transfer Protocol. Enter the search for that. You should see a list of packets that are SMTP. You want to go ahead and find the one that says from, and then has an email address, root at localhost.local. The subject is info, and it has text slash plain, and it says plain text. You want to go ahead and right click that, and you want to scroll down until you see follow TCP stream, and then you have a pop-up come up. You want to go ahead and scroll down, and you will see the password right there, hello world. So that password is in plain text, and it was not encrypted. Now let's go ahead and use GPG's encryption to protect data privacy. So let's go ahead and start opening GPG's encryption tool. You should have something on your desktop or your program files called GPA. Go ahead and open that up. When you open the program for the first time, you're going to see a message come up which says generate key. You're going to go ahead and enter your name here. Next, what we're going to do is go ahead and click forward, and it will prompt you to enter an email address. Next, we're going to go ahead and it's going to give you a message to generate a backup copy, so you can do that if you'd like. When you click forward, it's going to prompt you to enter a password, so go ahead and create that. Once you're done with that, you will see this screen right here. Now, normally what you would do is, if you had another person's GPG key, you would copy and paste it directly into the box, and their name would populate there. But for the purposes of this tutorial, I'm going to go ahead and create a new key just for demonstration purposes. So what you want to do is you want to click on keys, and then click on new key, and you'll see the same pop-up come up, and you can generate a new key just like that. So you want to go ahead and click the person who you want to send the message to, which in our case would be John Doe, and you want to go ahead and then click on clipboard. Once you do, this pop-up will come up, and you can enter your message there in plain text. So for example, let's say I want to send him a secret code. I'll put that code there. Once you're done with that, you want to go ahead and click sign, and a pop-up will come up. It will then prompt you to enter your password there. Let's go ahead and do that. And once you sign it, you will see the message has become encrypted. Next, you want to go ahead and go back up to the bar there and click verify. You'll see a pop-up come up, and just click close. Now you can copy this message and put it into the email, but before you send it, you will also need your GPG key. So I'm going to show you how to get that now. You want to go back to the main menu and right click on your name and then scroll down to export keys, and then this pop-up will come up. You want to go ahead and name the file, click on desktop or wherever you want to save it, click new folder, and then name that folder, and then go ahead and save that. This is what it will look like once you save it. I've saved it to my desktop. So you want to go ahead and right click that and open it with Word or Notepad, and once you open it you will see your GPG key, so you can go ahead and copy that as well and then paste it into the message that you're sending along with the message text that we reviewed earlier. So finally, congratulations, you've successfully sent an encrypted message ensuring data privacy. This has been my final project for CSC430 Section B. Thank you for your time.